Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to move your text freely on the screen using Filmora X. So you know that Filmora X has some feature that you can use to move your text, such as the motion tracking or animation keyframe. For example, if you want to put your text right here and then you move it around the screen like this, you can just activate the motion tracking feature and then you put the text on your finger and then you can move it. So it is very easy. Another way I normally use when making video is to use the animation keyframe. So you have the text, you want to put it right here, and then you move it to here and then move it to the bottom at this area, and finally you want to fade out the text or stuff like that, and that can be done with animation keyframe. And there's another solution that just put animated text on the screen and let it be. So just select a template and then you put it on your video and then just leave it there, and you follow the animation of the program and you don't need to do anything more. And that is the easiest and fastest way to add animated text to your video using Filmora X. Alright, so let's go to this screen. I will show you how to do that. Alright, so here I am inside Filmora X. So this is my intro. By the way, I just skip 3 parts of the intro so that you can follow me easily. So the first one is the motion tracking. So to activate the motion tracking here, for example, you need to split that part of the video, so to make the motion tracking effect faster. Okay, for this part I'm going to activate the motion tracking for this video. Firstly, I will delete the effect here. And to activate the motion tracking, you need to select the clip on the timeline and then you need to click on this button. Then you have the tracking point here, so make sure that you put it, just resize it and then put it to this area. So it's my hand, so the camera is focused on my face. By the way, we have a clear area here, so we're going to track it, not the finger, because the finger is our focus, so it's very difficult for the program to track it. Then we can click here, start tracking. Okay, so the program will track my hands here, and I think it's just some seconds. Just let wait. You see. Alright, so when it finished, you need to add a text. For example, this is a text title, so it is very easy. Just go to title and then select a default title here. I just put it on the top track here and then extend the duration of the title to full length of the part that I want to track. And then I'm going to double click and then I will change it to text. And then after that, I'm going to move it to top of my finger. That's easy, right? And then I click OK. And then I'm going to double click on the video track and then go to motion tracking and then click on this button and select default title, and that's done. Now the text will follow my finger, and click OK, and this is the effect with motion tracking. Okay, alright, so that is the first way, the first solution to add text and let it move on the screen. Okay, very easy, right? Now I'm going to delete this motion tracking, and the second option is the animation keyframe. So now we have the video here, and you need to just follow the action of your character. For example, I want to say put text here, and then I want to make sure that the text will appear here, and then move it to here, and then I will add the animation keyframe to let the text move from here to here. And that is the point, and very easy. For example, here we have a title here, the title track. At this position, I say I want to put the text here, and then I'm going to add the title here, add the title, and then I also need to extend the duration of the title to the full length of the video, and then we need to change the text to something text here or stuff like that. And then we need to move the text to the position where I point my finger, right? And I'm going to select the text here on the preview, and we can put the text here. So this is the first position of the text. And then we will play the video to see where when the text will move. Okay, so we can see that my finger point the text to this position, and then at this position the text will start moving to the right side, I mean to this side. So we're going to add an animation keyframe for it. So we're going to select the text here and then add keyframe. Click here to add keyframe, and then we can move maybe some frame forward. And then we need to select the text here and then adjust the position, X position here, just to move it to this position. So you see that it's created two keyframe here on the text title, and then we can replay it, review it, move to here, and then I want to move the text to the bottom here. So we are going to add another keyframe at this position, add another keyframe. So this keyframe will keep the text right here, and then move 2 or 3 frames forward, and then we can select the text on the text here, and then adjust the Y position to this area also, and X position. So with this keyframe, it will move the text from here to this position, right? And let's replay it. And finally, you want to fade out the text. It is very easy. For example, at this position, you want to add one more keyframe. So with this keyframe, you will keep the text right here and at 100% transparency. And now you want to fade out the text at this position, for example. And then you just need to select the text here and then reduce the opacity to 0. That will create a fade out effect for the text. Like this. Replay. That's easy, right? So that is the second solution to add animation keyframe to let the text move freely on the screen. Okay, so I'm going to delete this one, and we have the final option. You just add a template onto your video. So it is very easy. This one is the title. We can go to title. So let's delete this one. And if we want to add a text to a certain position on the screen, at this position, all we need to do is to go to title and then find a title here. For example, I'm going to use title number 2. Just drag and drop it on the timeline and shorten it if you want. And then you can double click on the title to customize the text. This is the title. Okay, so I'm going to type my favorite solution. Okay, and here is the animated title. Okay, and that's done. By the way, you can customize the animated title and all the text and style here with the advanced editor if you want. And this is the advanced text editor in Filmora 10. You can just customize the color and borders and animation and stuff like that. Okay, let's click OK. Alright, so that is how you can move the text freely on the screen using Filmora 10 with 3 solutions: and motion tracking and animation keyframe and animated text. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.